properly?
Yeah, the rig.
Go forward.
Where's your car? Where's your car?
You think this is Paramount Films?
Oh, this is why I hate yellow. Shit can never stay clean. Let's go to the gym. One big goal of mine this year is to, you know, watch my weight and stay healthy. I don't know what I'm going to do today. Hopefully the boys will figure out what to do or something to do. But yeah, let's go for a ride. Here with the EK. I don't know, kind of just wanted to get out, you know, sick of staying or doing the same thing. You know, sometimes it's good just to go on a lonely drive sometimes, or just do like, I don't know, a photo shoot by yourself. So yeah. Just want to tell you guys to keep doing what you're doing in life. I don't know, I can't find this area that I kind of like, so I might just do a video around it. So let's go. If you haven't followed TikTok, follow it. You just take videos of recording yourself. People just think you're an absolute idiot. It's quite funny. The amount of looks and just stares I get, it's quite, I don't know, it feels weird, but what can you do, I guess. Sometimes it's nice just to go out, just go out driving by yourself. Just the amount of pressure that sometimes life can give you is...
Come on, go. How am I going to save you, bro? We'll both die. How about you just die yourself, yeah? Why are you fucking involved with me?
Come
you
inside.
got this,
You got this, you got this.
What the fuck is this, bro? Guys, what is this? Funny.
Move your feet, Nathan, move your feet, because we keep fucking... Hey, move up there.
I've done it in car.
Yeah, I'm moving. Also, he's going to launch into you.
Hey, shut up!
No, I'm serious, that's what happened. When you stall it, you have to hold. You can't actually go on.
Where's reverse? Reverse is go that way? Reverse is hold on. Same spot, but... Oh, so that's reverse. Oh, so it's running. That's one.
I'm going to save it. Wait a minute. I knew it. I told you. Like I told you to move.
He goes, it's easier than other cars. I never did it to Alex.
Man, hurry up!
Look at him, thinks he's slick. Hey mate! Nothing really beats city driving with the homies. We got good old WRX in front of us, EK behind us, got Mr. AJ, and yeah, going on a little night cruise with the fellas. So yeah, let's hope it's a good one. My balls are fucking hurting. They got squished before, so I'll post you on that one. Like, I'm gone. Anyways, let's see where we go now. That hurt a bit.
Hey, can I get mine?
A bit, what?
My car, where should I put it, bro?
You want me to drive it here?
No, where should I put it?
You want me to drive it? Bro, he got nightmares.
Not again, bro. I got a new transmission. You're not blowing this one too.
Are they timed properly?
Yeah, they're rigged.
You think this is Pokemon?
Now it is.
Where's the other guy going? You think this is Pokemon?
You think this is fucking Cinemax? You think this is Paramount Films?
Bro, he's gonna roll it, bro. He's just having fun, bro. He's gonna fucking roll it.
Flip it! Door flip!
You want it again?
Maybe.
I'm putting neutral. Just put it neutral, don't reverse. Like, put clutch in.
Let's get one photo for you.
Hey, can you just move?
Can you move?
Can you move?
I said Sam's on.
Ah, fuck it. I'll move him.
Yeah,
I'll move
with
him.
him.
Yeah, Zim Zam.
Zam.
We won.
What is that?
Rock.
Hey, no.
Hey, we have rock. We have rock. Get out of the way now. Yeah. You're really popping.
I was.
Drive this properly. Don't worry, Nathan. I can drive properly.
I think we're recording. How do I zoom in and out? Do you know how to zoom in and out? Bro, what did you do?
What the fuck was that?
Cause let me. No. How do I turn this off, bro?
I wonder if this could get demonetized, bro.
Anyway, I'm calling them. I'm telling them we're going home.
Hello. Welcome to the ball sack. Fun fact: AJ actually grabbed your balls and put them in.
Yeah, that's where my balls are, bro.
Wait, does it dangle? Like if I kick it?
Wait, did it again? Bro, that's gonna scrape. That's gonna scrape.